What is going on, viewers? DIY bed for Prius being made by yours truly. Here is my 2008 Prius. I've been wanting to go camping more, and I thought, what better vessel to go camping in than my Prius? It's climate controlled, there's tons of space, there's all these cubbies here. You can see this is a cubby that I put an extra roll of toilet paper, a changing station, um, raincoats and stuff. It's so roomy. I'm actually not making this just for myself. It's even more comfortable when it's just one person, but this is actually to sleep two people. And there's extra headspace that you have to consider, so if you're tall, your head might be falling down. I usually put my head towards the seats. But anyways, I got 3-inch memory foam from Joann Fabrics. I got two of them. And I had this paper that you use for painting, and I taped two together to kind of make it the same width of the memory foam side by side. And then I took the floor mat for the hatchback and I laid it on the memory foam on top of the paper. So then I could start marking out my template. I had a rough template made out, and I made some cuts, and then I dry fitted that into the car, just to make sure that everything fits, and it is fitting perfectly. So now I have a perfect template, and I always suggest making a template because the foam is not cheap. It's pretty expensive. Like, I think total everything cost me like, I don't know, 100 and something dollars for just the memory foam. The memory foam's pretty expensive, but here I'm putting in the memory foam uncut with the lining, the lines on the from the template, just to make sure that everything fits. And then after cutting, I put it all in there, and look how great it fits. It fits so perfectly. I was smiling from ear to ear. It's super exciting. There's even these little cubbies on the right and left side that you can put, shoes, your phone, whatever. And the thing I love about it most is that you can, since it's two pieces, you can fold it in half and have all your bedding on one side, things that you want to keep clean on one side, and then all your outdoorsy stuff on the other. For example, like a heist chest and easy up, I don't know, things that you want to have outside. And it's still a hatchback, so you can fill up this car full and then go camping in a rolling RV, tiny RV. But anyways, this is how I made the bed. It's very small and simple. If you like the video, be sure to drop a like. If you have any suggestions on how I can improve it, or if you want to see something more in-depth tutorial, be sure to drop a comment. I'm open for any suggestions, any ideas, and yeah, subscribe if you want to see any new videos. I make videos about whatever, so I'll see you in the next one. Peace.